everyone, I'm Val from Mike and Val's Life, and today I'm going to be doing 2 subscription box unboxings. The first one is going to be my Bibbidi box. This is the fantasy box. It cost $59. And the second, it cost $65. I know there's a $6 difference there. But this one is Be Our Guest Express. Now, I am just going to jump right into this. I have been so excited. I've been holding this one for a while. Not purposely. It's just looked like every time I went to go and film it, something would happen and I wouldn't be able to. So, and then the Be Our Guest Express came in, and that's when I decided, well, I'm just going to do them both at the same time. And I'm sort of looking forward to doing that just to compare them just a little bit. Now, like I said, now this one is a $59 box. But anyway, let's get into the box. I've already taken the wrappings off. Oh, and here we go. Ooh, look. Now, I only know about this is because I have been watching some of the unboxings. So I knew it was going to come, or at least I hoped it was going to come in a little bag like this. You know, you never know till you open it, but I sure was hoping I was going to get a bag like this. Because I just think this is so cute. And it's It's a well-made bag, so I'm going to be able to use this again. But right here, and look how cute this is. Look at the bottom of that. I think I'm going to take this to work. I'm always keeping little notes and stuff. But anyway, here we go. A little smile goes a long way. Remember, you're the one who can fill the world with sunshine. Isn't that so pretty? Oh, and Mama B did my box for me again this time. So I'm going to go right into this. Like I said, I'm just excited over the bag. Let's see. Woo! Oh, I have wanted a Lily & Co. so bad. I've been seeing everybody else getting them. And so, I don't know if it's going to be a necklace or a bracelet. It doesn't matter. I'm still so excited. Isn't it that cute? That comes in these little bags. Oh, another little bag. So. Oh, a bracelet. Dig a little deeper. Oh, yeah. I think this is Princess and the Frog. I'm going to get you to see it. Oh, yes. And I love bracelets. Mama B, you did fantastic. I love this. This is so cute. Just add it to what I've already got. Oh, and here's the little card. It says, dig a little deeper. It says, there's only one way to find out what you need to be happy and fulfilled in life. You got to dig a little deeper within yourself. When you look inside, don't worry. It's not far. And find out who you are, who you truly are. That's when you find out what you need. That's when you find the blue skies and sunshine. So dig, dig a little deeper. Oh my goodness. That is so, so sweet. What is this? Okay. Now, it's a cap. Harley Quinn. Okay, now I'm just going to have to tell you, I don't know much about her. So, I mean, I like the cap. I just don't really know much about Harley Quinn. So, it's cute, though. Oh, and I got one more. Oh, I got a Jim Shore. Mini figurine. Let's see. Oh, look how cute she is. Oh, I just love her. Well, now that bag is empty. And I tell you, since we're going to do 2 unboxings, and I'm sorry I dropped this 1 second. I don't want to do the price until I'll do them back to what this one was and what this one is. So let's hold off on that just for a minute. Oh, okay, like I said, didn't know much about Harley Quinn. I don't know much about her, but I just love that Jim Shore and the Lily & Co. bracelet. Oh my gosh. So now, let's go to Be Our Guest Express. Uh-oh. Here we go. It's packing tape. Packing slip. We won't go to that yet. And, oh, and this, I guess these come in every one. It's a little advertisement for, Thomas Kincaid. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty this is. Oh my. Oh goodness. So I'm very excited. Another Jim Shore. Hot dog. Oh no. Well, what is the odds of this? I got 2 identical. Oh my goodness. Oh well, that is perfectly okay by me. That is funny. So we're going to something else. Ooh. Wait a minute. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Oh, let me put the string in here. This is a Thomas Kincaid ornament. Oh, it is absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, I tell you, I will take this one to work because I put up a Mickey and Minnie tree every year at work. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, and one more. Oh my! Oh my. I think I got a Loungefly wallet. It looks like Pluto maybe. Let me see. I'm like a little kid. I just tear it apart. Oh my goodness. This thing is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love this. Oh. Let's look from on the inside. And here's what it looks like. Pluto all over. Oh my goodness. The little charm on that. Oh, I absolutely love this. This is so, so pretty. I mean, I think both boxes knocked it out the park. I really do. I'm very excited over both of them. But now, let me find the packing slip on both of them. Okay. The Gem Shore was $18. The Harley Quinn cap, was $24.99. Oh my goodness, that's an expensive cap. Wow. Oh, and then the Lily & Co. bracelet. It says dig a little deeper in gold. Princess and the Frog. $32. Oh, I think the Lily & Co. bracelet in this box, oh, my fave. Yes, I just love that. Oh my goodness. Oh, forgot to give you the total. I get too excited. The total for this is $74.99. Now that is really good. I gave $59 for it. And oh my goodness. Like I said, oh, this was so good. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Mama B. Now, for the packing slip on the Be Our Guest. Okay, oh, this one was packed by April. I'm so sorry. I'm just so scared I'm get these names wrong. And I do apologize. I'm sorry. But let me go through this. This was the Loungefly Pluto wallet. Was $40. The Thomas Kincaid ornament was $19.99. And the mini with flowers Gem Shore was $18. Giving a grand total of $77.99. Oh my goodness. Oh, they are both absolutely great. Oh. So, one was $74.99 and this one was $77.99. It was just $3 difference. So, I think they were both great. If you have a favorite box over the other one, please leave me a comment below. Because I am super pleased with both of them. I really am. I couldn't be any more pleased with them. So I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and letting me share this with you. I hope everyone's enjoyed. I know I sure have. So for now, bye-bye. And may God bless.